Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the number of girls appearing for an admission test is twice the number of boys. If 30% of the girls and 45% of the boys get admission, the percentage of candidates who do not get admission is. Now let the number of boys be B. Then percentage of students who get admission is 30 by 100 into 2b, since 30% of the girls, but the number of girls appearing for boys was twice the number of boys. So 2b, 30 into 2b plus 45 by 100b by 2b plus b into 100%, and this equals 35%. So 35% passed the exam. So the rest 65% failed. It is option D. The next question is, a stall sells popcorn and chips in packets of 3 sizes: large, super and jumbo. The numbers of large, super and jumbo packets in its stock are in the ratio 7:17:16 for popcorn and 6:15:14 for chips. If the total number of popcorn packets in its stock is the same as that of chips packets, then the numbers of jumbo popcorn packets and jumbo chips packets are in the ratio. Let the total number of popcorn packets be T. Total number of chips packets in stock is T. Then required ratio is 16 by 40T is to 14 by 35T, which is equal to 1:1. So option A. The next question is, in the market, the price of medium quality mangoes is half that of good mangoes. A shopkeeper buys 80 kg good mangoes and 40 kg medium quality mangoes from the market and then sells all these at a common price which is 10% less than the price at which he bought the good ones. His overall profit is. So let the price of good mango So the price of good mango be G. Then price of medium quality mango is equal to G by 2. So total CP, that is total cost price, is equal to 80G plus 40 into G by 2. So 100G. Total selling price is equal to 120 into 0.9G, that is 108G. Therefore, profit is equal to 108G minus 100G, that is 8G. So profit percent is equal to 8G by 100G into 100%, that is 8%. Option B.